In this video, what we want to do, we want to style our login screen, okay? Because as you guys can see, this login screen doesn't look exactly as this one, okay? Which is the finished app, okay? And what we need to do in order for us to get to this point, well, if we go back on this on our code, the first thing we want to do on this vista, remember guys, this vista contains everything from this login to this I don't have an account, okay? So what we want to do after this alignment, we want to specify something called spacing, and for us, for the spacing, we can say 10, okay? And you can see that it added a spacing here, okay? So now that we have this spacing, what we can do, we can come here, okay, after this explore the beauty of Canada, okay? Because this big gap is there because we have this spacer, okay? So if we remove this spacer, normally this one should get closer, okay? And as you can see, it got closer, okay? But on the finish app, you can see that it's not that close, okay? So what we can do, here on a edge stack, okay, the edge stack, if you guys remember, the edge stack has this one, okay, this enter your email, okay? So what we can do after this overlay, we can add a padding, okay? So if we add here a padding, I want to specify that we only want a padding at the top, okay? So at the top of this one, and as you guys can see, it will add a padding here, okay? And we can do the same for this password, because as you guys can see, we also need the padding at the top, okay? So if we go on this edge tag, okay, let me see, yeah, so this edge tag, after this overlay, we can add another padding. So it's going to be that padding, and we only want the padding to be at the top, okay? So you're supposed to also add another space here, okay? And we also want to do the same thing for this login button. So here on this login button, what we want to do, we want to add another padding. So that padding, and we want it to be at the top. Okay, perfect. And last but not least, we want to do the same thing for this I don't have an account. So here after this spacing, we want to add another padding, that padding, and we want it to be at the top. Okay, perfect. And with that, we can remove even one spacer, and normally it's still supposed to look exactly as a finished app, okay? So guys, congratulations, we successfully finished our login screen, okay, at least for the UI. So the next thing we want to do, we want to focus on what is it called, on a sign up screen, okay? Because when we tap on this sign up, we are redirected to this sign up page, okay? And as an exercise, what I could advise you guys to do, maybe you can try to build this sign up page by yourself, okay? And later on when we will do it, it will help you to learn better, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed it. If that's the case, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.